Oh, it's your god.
There.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're here with Casey. Hi, Casey.
Hi.
So this is Dr. Beau.
Hey there, how we doing?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
So today, Casey's going to be getting her very first chiropractic adjustment, but she's a little bit nervous.
Just a little bit.
She told me she really wants to try it.
I'm Casey, also known as Casey Loves Fitness, and surprisingly, I've always wanted to do this, but I've absolutely never had a chiropractic session. I've seen it done, and it made me a little bit nervous, but I have faith. I've watched a lot of your videos just to make sure.
The prep beforehand, like, it seemed like legit people.
homework.
So.
Yeah, I was like, it'll be okay, so I'm excited. It'll be good.
Yeah. What I think we should do is I'll demonstrate first so you can see
That's
what
great.
it's like. I'm
Have
so
you seen a lot
excited
of
to-
Steven Seagal movies?
Oh my god.
What's the translation here?
Because he like goes up and click, and then like
Oh,
all the
good.
Russians die usually.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing
so
to be
that's
scared
good.
of.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like that at all. So do you have anything going
You are
on?
holding a hammer.
I know, right? Do you have any problems going on, or?
For the most part, I hold tension in my upper back. I don't feel any pain right now, but I definitely am sure there's a lot going on up there. So
When you get stressed, does it feel like your shoulders go up to your ears? Is that kind
for
of
sure.
the
I think
sensation?
at this point it's just like a natural way of life. So it might be a huge change just getting it done.
Okay,
Yeah.
sweet.
Yeah.
I can totally relate. That's super common actually,
Yeah,
especially
sure.
for ladies.
Right, and especially in the line of work you guys are doing, if you're on the laptop and computer and all
On the
that kind
phone
of
all
stuff.
day,
Yeah,
looking
Yeah.
down.
coordinating, editing, you know, all that kind of stuff.
Super common.
For
You're
sure.
gonna love it. It's gonna be great.
Sweet.
All right, let's get started.
All right. So, let's go here. This one's straight. And we'll cross you over.
Oh.
There we go. Okay, back the other way. Very nice. Let's see your ankles. Oh yeah. That one's definitely stuck. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that one.
That one is
All right,
great.
flip over on your stomach.
These look fine.
You're gonna live, Casey. I promise.
On your stomach?
Oh.
Yep.
Can I put my head down on here?
Let me get your ribs on the side.
Oh.
And you can see how this side's lower now than this side. So this one, I'm gonna go there. It is.
Oh, wow.
And one more here. Look up a little bit.
Oh.
All right.
I've never had that other one done.
The rib ones?
Yeah.
I guess I haven't done that
Oh,
one.
That
here's
one's
the
great.
day for new things.
Wow. Trying new things.
Alright, so take a deep breath now. That should feel better after that one.
Yeah.
When you get the rib movement.
That feels great. I've never had that one.
Yeah, that's the
I
money
love
move.
that.
When people get the ribs out, like Sarah was talking about, that's what somebody has to do.
Gotcha.
It's a cross body traction.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna cut the muscles off first so it's looser.
I should maybe just do my last will and testament.
don't know.
Give everything to doubling, even my clothes.
You just got rich.
Oh, oh yeah. Yep.
Yep.
There's something there.
And your super jam right there.
Yeah, I told you. I think I'm just used to it at this point.
Right? Just numb to it.
Well, not numb to it right now. Is that normal?
What's that?
That like
To be that tight?
no. Well, not the pain necessarily, but when you run your finger over it, whatever.
Where it's
that's
like a
gonna
bump?
be. Yeah.
That one?
It's crunchy.
It's common but not normal.
Oh, okay. What is that?
That's where your muscles have gotten thicker and tighter from holding your head up because you're looking down.
a lot of brain in my head. I gotta hold it up.
You know?
True.
Like Mega Mind over here.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, I have so much tension.
It's right there. Feels really tight.
Yeah.
Feel it in your head too?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Better?
It's a lot better.
Yeah.
That's so weird though, because I can really feel it like in my skull.
Good.
It actually didn't hurt though. That felt good.
All right, hand goes on the hip like this. So give me the sassiest if you got. All right, pull this elbow back.
Pull back?
Pull real hard. There.
Oh my god, that was so weird.
All right, this hand's gonna go like that. Raise the roof. I'm gonna go right in here. So in case you were already feeling anxious and sweaty, we're gonna make sure that's a little worse now. So bring that elbow down.
Cool.
Bring the elbow down?
Yep, and raise it up. And down.
Oh.
And again. And down. And again. And down. Strange. And up. Ah, right there is really tight.
Yeah.
Keep going. And it's funny, like with these videos, people were like, "He's not even looking." It's because it's literally not visual. It's all feel. Like your eyes will actually deceive you. So if it looks like I'm staring off into space, it's because I'm feeling where the muscles are.
I personally
Or they're
wouldn't
tight.
have known that.
Because you can't see it. Yeah,
Right.
The videos people are like, he's not even looking.
Right.
I guess I'm glad you said it though, because I'd watch it and be like, let's see.
What's he looking at?
What's he looking at?
He's the Ray Charles of chiropractic. Stevie Wonder, what are you doing, bro? Have you heard those like the conspiracy theorists that say Stevie Wonder isn't actually blind?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Come on.
I mean, this is where we're at today, okay? So
The conspiracies, they get pretty interesting.
you know, the world
That's
is-
one of the
world is
weirdest ones I've heard.
flat, you know, vaccines are poison. What else are we on?
The vaccine thing, I'm not gonna lie, like really worried me. I don't believe it anymore. I mean, there's a possibility, I guess, of anything.
Well, it depends what we're talking about.
But I was
right?
like, I'm not gonna get the flu shot, and then the lady's like, you
Well,
should. I was like, all right,
That's probably
fine.
one of the ones you can
Yeah, if you were gonna skip
probably
one,
skip that.
It wouldn't be the flu
as
shot.
an adult.
You should.
Well, the strain's always mutating, so you know. But also the side effect profile is really, really small. So I mean, the risk
That's
is
true.
extremely low.
I did have side effects though.
Did you?
I did.
What'd you get?
I got the flu, and then my arm.
You got the flu.
And then
Damn it.
My arm swelled up. My arm swelled up really huge.
Oh no.
It would, like had a bad reaction to it. At first I was like, cool, it looked like really pumped up. and then it started turning like red and I was like,
Oh,
maybe
no.
this isn't right.
Oh no. This side's not as bad, huh?
No, it wasn't as bad.
Oh, okay, what's that? This one though, yeah?
Yep.
Yep.
Don't mind all my hair issues.
Your hearing issues?
Hair.
Oh, that was me.
Whew,
And look down
that one's
Center.
tight for sure.
and down. So they're usually opposites, back to center. So she's right levator scap and
Oh.
left upper cervical.
Yeah. Ow.
Like I was saying earlier, you have the same exact pattern as a semi-truck driver.
That seems right.
So if I was Stevie Wonder and I was just feeling your spine, I'd be like, well, this is either like a fitness influencer or a semi-truck driver.
That is my car, so it's kind of like a
There you go.
semi-truck.
Here,
I
pull that
guess I have
elbow
a
back.
future in that.
Pull, 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 pull. That was good. So we're gonna hook right in here and right here. Okay, and look up a little bit and look down now.
Oh my god!
That's my
So
favorite
weird.
one.
That was like 5 different spots cracked at the same time.
So shake that out a little bit, see if that feels good there.
Oh yeah. Shake
No,
it.
it's
Shake
That's
it.
better on the upper back.
I'm still breathing, so that's.
For now, that's a good one. Right there's the spot. And up there. All right, let's clear this one first. So we're gonna come right around here. And drop that right shoulder down just a little bit.
Oh dear God, that was really weird. It didn't hurt, but that was super weird. You're right. I think it's more like the noise, like you said, being able to hear it was
super loud in your ear, right?
Yeah, it was really weird.
Yeah.
All right.
And you can tell it doesn't actually go that far.
No,
like
it didn't
the thrust
hurt.
is super. Come to right here, and this one's gonna go right there.
Oh my God. What was that? Was that normal? That was like 30 cracks.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
100%.
It was like a little pop at first, and I was like, oh, that's great. And then he was like, just kidding.
It's like at the fireworks show. It's like, there's one. Oh, grand finale.
That's weird. I feel like.
Head should feel lighter now.
I feel more relaxed for sure. That's
it like wrong?
really weird. There's more?
There's more.
But wait.
Wait, but wait, there's more.
There's more.
It can't get weirder than the neck.
Go. And we got some ribs out right here. You can see them.
What do you mean? What does that mean?
What do you mean? It means you're twisted. Like Keith Sweat. There we go.
Totally normal.
Take a deep breath, and that should feel like lighter right there. Maybe raise the whole thing up. But keep the knee straight. There we go.
Oh.
And then switch sides. Yeah.
That was, I don't know how that happened. That's so weird. It's weird because I don't know.
I don't feel twisted.
Yeah, I don't feel that weird normally.
I don't feel weird.
It's probably the only time you're allowed to get hammered in this gym.
Yeah. Are we just breaking my hip?
Yeah. Breaking it all up. All right, raise that leg up again.
Oh, cool. We're just breaking that.
Okay, other side now. Oh, this is the same thing. Just like your Solis thing.
What? Please explain these things. I don't know what you're saying.
There's a muscle right there. It's super tight.
Why is he trying to murder me? Send for help!
Gracilis, where's your team, man? They all just ran off and left you here. Someone help. She's like, woosah, woosah, woosah.
Oh my god, that hurts so much.
That's the one.
I think I'm actually crying now.
Laughing or crying?
Both.
Combination, all right. Look, I'm going.
What?
Look, it's going away.
How does it even happen?
You get a little bit crooked.
Oh my god.
There we go. Easier?
I'm gonna live like a whole new life after.
A whole new life.
Yeah, you're a
Yep.
whole new, brand new woman.
Brand new woman.
Yep, that's great. Woo! Still hurts.
Yeah, it's right there now.
Oh, but it's just moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
It's just moving.
It attaches to your knee, so.
Yeah, that feels like my knee.
I call it the fake hamstring.
Oh.
All the way up.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, better.
I think I'm like officially, like legit sweating now.
Push that knee down and relax it. And push down and relax it. And push and relax. There we go. All right, raise it up again. I think the rotation is at the L5 area. Okay. Okay, and now the right side. Okay, now we're even.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Now we're even.
Don't mind all my nervous sweat.
You're gonna slide all the way up.
It's normal.
We call that glowing.
Yeah.
I don't know what industry you've been hanging out in, but this one goes here. And we'll pull this arm out. Give yourself a big hug right there. And then we'll bring it all the way over.
Oh no.
There we go. And then the other way. Go right there, same thing.
Sorry, I'm doing it wrong. Oh.
Almost.
Oh!
Perfect. Okay, lay on your back. Let's see what we got here. And the back. All right, we'll go right here and right here. Squeeze both legs together real tight. Squeeze, 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 and push apart. Excellent. All right, sit back up and face that way for me.
It's like a whole thing. How long does this usually take? When people aren't complaining.
When they're not complaining, 20 minutes. When they're really complaining, an hour and a half.
Oh my god.
Take that arm and reach back all the way. Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going back. A little further. A little further. Keep going. Keep going. Good. All right, then we're gonna clear this one out.
Oh my god, I should get this done more often.
Yeah, or roll out. Either way. You just do a cross ball here too. But I'll be in charge. I like, this is a good defense tactic. She's like vulturing to get the scapula forward.
Vulturing?
Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's vulturing. You know about vulturing?
I've never heard about vulturing
Yeah.
before.
Might be a prison term.
Prison term.
That's how I learned about keystering. From the movie with Will Ferrell.
Oh, okay.
This is like definitely pressure points. Can you do the thing and you just like jab somebody and not like fall asleep?
Yeah, absolutely. Learned that one from Dog Whisperer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Shrug, 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 shrug. Shrug, 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 shrug. I'm good there.
I am hyperextended elbows. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, pretty solid. All right, stand up, shake it out.
Just now I feel like
Got me.
I don't even know myself anymore.
Who even am I anymore? Who are you? Who are you?
Well, I seriously feel so different.
There we go, survive.
so weird. I'm done?
Done.
I don't know, what was
made
that?
it.
Need to pump
What
it
was
up?
that thing on the back though? Because
For
I'm
gracilis,
really
Gracilis.
right?
Chrysalis?
Gracilis.
Gracilis?
You can use one of those, like the green or the orange med balls, sit on it, roll it out. Helps a ton.
Oh my god, definitely, that was really bad.
Plus, like the looser that is, the better glute activation you're gonna have and the better hip mobility you'll have too.
I like it.
So
You
there's
want
just
that
like a
glute
aesthetic
activation.
gain from it too.
I like it.
Cool.
I'll work on it. Thank you.
Absolutely.
I'm still alive.
And what's your channel?
Casey Loves Fitness.